Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, if you are from Nigeria, you're going to know that the CBN, the Central Bank of Nigeria, has actually placed a ban on the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies with naira in Nigeria. Now, what's the implication of this? It means that you can't deposit naira into your trading platform from your bank, and it also means that you can't withdraw naira from your trading platform into your Nigerian bank account. Now, there's no panicking for this. You don't have to panic. I've seen a lot of people panicking since the statement was released. People have been going to their online platforms, especially Binance, to go and sell their coins and withdraw their money because they think they are going to lose their money. But that's actually like you can't lose your money. So I'm going to teach you how you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies without violating CBN's rule. Now, all you have to do is to just go to your Binance app and do what I'm going to be teaching you. It's called peer-to-peer trading. Now, peer-to-peer trading is by selling to like someone who is also a trader like you on Binance, and it is very trusted. And the sweet thing about the peer-to-peer trading is that there is no trading fee or charging fee or whatever you call it. It's zero trading fee, so you're going to also enjoy it. So let me tell you something, CBN is not going to win us in this battle. I promise you guys, CBN is going to win us. P2P trading is possible, and when you do P2P trading, it's not like you're violating CBN's rule. So the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Binance account. Now, before you continue, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and drop a comment in the comment section. And also let me know what you feel about CBN banning the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies in Nigeria. Let me know how you feel in the comment section. Now, as I was saying, you're going to log in into your Binance app. Now, after logging in into your Binance app, now the next thing you're going to see, buy crypto. Whether you're using your phone, you're using your PC, or you're using the website, anyway, you're going to, after logging in, you're going to see buy crypto. Now, there are different ways you can buy crypto on Binance. As you can see, we have bank deposit, credit or debit card, which you can't use again if you're in Nigeria for now. P2P trading, cash balance, and third-party payment. Now, what I'll be teaching you is the P2P trade. So you click on P2P trading. Now, once you click on P2P trading, it's going to bring you to what you have on my screen. Now, what can you see here? You can see that you can see buy BTC, buy BTC, buy BTC. Now, yeah, it means that you can buy and sell BTC from a co-trader like you. Now, let me show you. Yeah, you can see this buy, this sell. Since you want to buy BTC, then the green should be on buy. Now, these are the coins you can buy or sell through the P2P trading. Yes, not all the coins. These are just the coins you can buy: USDT, BTC, BUSD, and BNB, ETH, DAI. Now, these are the coins you can buy. Now, if you come down here, you're going to see the people who want to sell that coin. Firstly, select the coin you want to buy here. So I've selected BTC here. Now you come down, you can see these are the people who want to sell. Let me scroll down and show you. So a lot of people want to sell their BTC right now. If you want to see more, you just click on here too. So let's go back up. Now these are the people who want to sell their BTC right now. This is the name of the person. Now this is the price the person is selling is BTC now. Like I said, the person is selling it at 18 million naira, 18.05 blah 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 million naira for one BTC. This one is selling at 18,125,045 naira. They have different prices, and everyone will have his own price. Now this is the available BTC you can buy from that person. Sorry. Now this person has a 0.133 BTC, which means you can buy between 100,000 naira to 1 million naira from this person. And this is the payment method. You can pay through bank transfer. So yeah, it's not like you're transferring money to your Binance wallet. No, you're transferring money to that person you are buying from. So which means you're not even violating CBN's rule at all. Now let's say after going through all of these options, then okay, who do you want to buy from? If you want to buy from let's say this first person, all you have to do is just click on buy BTC. Now once you click on buy BTC, now you are going to see but you must do this thing within 15 minutes. As you can see, 15 minutes. Now I want to pay how much do I want to buy? Let's say I want to buy something worth of 100,000 naira, which is the lowest. Now if you buy Bitcoin of 100,000, you're going to get 0.0055376 BTC, and then you click on buy BTC. Now once you click on buy BTC, you're going to see what's on my screen. Now, as you can see, this is the person's name, the person's bank name. This is the person's bank account number and the person's bank name. Now, all you have to do is just go to your bank app, or if you are using USSD to transfer money, and then enter this account number and then the account name and then the bank name, and then send 50,000 naira, 100,000 naira to that person. By that, you've already bought your BTC, which is very, very simple. I'm very sure we all know that's very, very simple. So it's not like you are buying how will I say it now? It's not like you are sending money into your Bitcoin into your Binance wallet. No, you're not sending money to your Binance wallet at all. You're sending money to this Binance trader you're seeing here. So it does not have to do with whether you violating CBN's rule or not. And you're not going to lose your money. You guys panicking and going to sell your coins because CBN released one stupid rule. I don't see any sense in that actually. But if you follow what I'm trying to teach you right now, you won't be violating CBN's rule at all. So they won't. So you don't even have to violate CBN's because they will actually block your bank account. So guys, just stick to P2P trading. Take for example, you want to sell your BTC. Some people will say, okay, I've already bought my BTC. Okay, I want to sell. Now, how can I transfer my money from Binance to my Nigerian bank account? Now, note that you can't do that because of the CBN's rule. Now, what you have to do is just sell through P2P trading. Again, now how can you sell your Bitcoin? Now, just click on sell here, as you can see. Click on sell here, then click on the coin you want to sell. Now, let's say I've clicked on BTC. I want to sell my BTC. Now, these are the people that want to buy BTC from you right now, as at now. Now you're going to see these are different people that want to buy BTC. These the advertiser's name, the price they want to buy for. This person wants to buy between 5,000 naira to 750,000 naira. So let's say you have Bitcoin worth of 100,000 naira, you can sell to this person. But you can't sell Bitcoin worth of, let's say, 800,000 naira and above. So you get. Now, so let's say I want to sell to this first person. I'm going to click on sell BTC. Now once I click on sell BTC, you can see I want to sell what do you want to sell, you will receive this. So let's take for example yeah, you enter the Bitcoin, yeah, you enter the in naira. So let me just enter 100,000 naira here, 100,000 naira. Now this is 100,000 naira. So that means I'll be sending 0.0054 BTC to this person. Now you're going to set up your payment method. Now after setting up your payment method here, you can click on sell BTC, and that person will receive like a notification receiving your details. And if that person has agreed to buy from you, the person will send the money straight into your bank account, and then the Bitcoin will be sent from your wallet to the person's wallet. It's as simple as that. P2P trading is as simple as that. And again, it has zero fee. As you can see, it's up here. I don't know if you can see it on the screen. Zero fee. So it has zero trading fee. So the guys, if you want to start trading your cryptocurrencies on Binance in Nigeria mainly, just use the P2P trading. It's very easy to use and simple to use, and zero trading fee. So that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget, let me know what you feel about the CBN's ban on the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies in Nigeria. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, and guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's grow this YouTube channel together. I'll see you later. Bye.